What we're doing a video inspection and demonstration of today is a Cat 252B3 for TM trading. This machine is a 2012. It's got 65 hours on it. Essentially, it's a brand new machine. We're going to take you all the way around it real up close. It's got auxiliary hydraulics. It's a 2-speed machine. It's not wrecked, dented. Matter of fact, except for where it's been tied down and shipping, I really can't even find a scratch on it. It's beautiful. Tires are like brand new. Take you up close on a serial number here. You see it. See the hoses are. Machine's never even been dirty. Here's where I was talking about where the tie down straps were. Still got the tag on the antifreeze is good to negative 36 degrees. Full cab, 2-speed, it's all joystick controlled. Here's your cabin air filter, air circulation. Owner's manual, operator's manual. We'll start her up 64.8 hours. Runs perfectly. Runs beautifully, actually. And we're going to show you that everything works on it.